Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to delete a font in Windows 11 laptop. So it is very simple. Click your Start menu, then search about Control Panel, then open Control Panel. Then you will get these sections, and you can see option of fonts. Click that. Then you will get this page. Here you can identify all of your installed fonts. So here, those fonts I'm not installed, but these fonts default installed by Windows 11 OS. So how to delete it is very simple. You need to delete this font. Simply click that, then click right. Then you can see option of hide, otherwise delete. Click on that, then it will be deleted. So that's the way. And some kind of fonts cannot be deleted because that file is protected by Windows 11 OS. So you need any other tools or any software to delete that kind of fonts. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need a kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.